Right now, you want to open a foot massage, a nail salon at this number 9 in charge period, that may not be a good idea. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Right now, we are in the number 9 in charge period, which is from 2024 up to 2044. So in this 20 year, which is the number 9 in charge. Okay, let's talk about the previous one. The previous one, which is the number 8, which is from 2004 and up to 2024. So in the previous 20 year, the number 8 in charge. Number 8 is related to earth element, so property market, like buildings, like residential, commercial property, they belong to this number 8 in charge period. And also, when we compare with the Feng Shui book, this number 8 is also related to hand. So all hand-related business, they're so popular at that moment. Let's say foot massage, body massage, spa, nail salon, eyelash extension, they're so popular at that time. But let's say if right now you want to open a foot massage, a nail salon at this number 9 in charge period, that may not be a good idea. You know why? Because the trend is gone. Okay, let's talk about the really previous one, the number 7. The number 7, which is from 1984 and up to 2004. In this 20 year, number 7 in charge. Number 7, when we compare with this Feng Shui book, is used the mouth to represent. So karaoke is so popular at this number 7 in charge period, but not right now. The trend is gone. So let's say if you want to open a karaoke shop, maybe it's not a really good idea. You know why? Because the trend is gone. So this is what we are talking about. Okay, to be more important, right now we're in the number 9, which is from 2024 and up to 2044, which is the number 9 in charge. Okay, number 9, first of all, is that belong to the ladies, especially the more mature lady. So for all ladies, we will have a more like a ladies leader, ladies CEO, ladies president, ladies leader will show up in this period. And secondly, in this number 9 in charge period is also belong to the fire element. So all fire related, like an industry, business, they will be so popular in this period. For example, the AI, 5G, cybersecurity, all those like a computer related, AI, 5G, cybersecurity, programming, data management, new energy vehicle, all of them are related to this number 9. So in this number 9 in charge period, they will become so much popular. Let's say the ChatGPT, the DeepSeek, they're so popular at this moment right now. One of the reasons is because the number 9 in charge. So that's why we can pay attention. And we need to understand that this is good for number 9, but also we need to pay attention, which is the scam call, the telecommunication scam. Those are so horrible and will bring lots of damage to lots of people. And this scam call is also related to number 9. So in this period, you have a different type of a scam call, try to cheat your money. So we need to pay attention for that one. And also for number 9 in charge period, it belongs to the fire element. So all fire related industries, they will be so popular. And also, we need to pay attention for the health concern. Let's say you have like a high blood pressure, you have a circulation issue, you need to pay attention in this number 9 in charge period because it's not really good for the health. And also, eye and head related diseases, virus diseases, they will also really serious in this number 9 in charge period. So we need to pay more attention for our health issue. Okay, for the overall Feng Shui, there will be few location which is excellent. Okay, the best location in this number 9 in charge period which is the south location. This is because the south is called the 精神方, which is the most lucky area in this moment. Traditionally, for Asian, we like south-facing property, which is so like reasonable. Let's say for winter time, the cold wind which is from the north hitting us. If let's say if our property is facing south, at least we can stay away from the cold wind at the back. So hitting our back is not really good. But if hitting our face is even worse, so hitting our back so is like a more acceptable. So your property is facing south. Something good is at least you stay from this cold wind, and also you have a more like a good sunlight, more like a good ventilation benefit you. So that will be good for you. And if let's say if your home, your front door, your garage door is facing south, that will be excellent because you will benefit from this 精神风, this energy. So you don't need to do anything. Your property is already in a good Feng Shui situation because it's facing south. Or let's say if your home, there's a no south door, so what can you do? Maybe the window in the south, you can open it in the morning. You can let the sunlight to come in to change the luck, to bring the like a blessing, updated energy bring to your home. That would be good. We need to choose like a bright sunny day, especially in the morning, to let the sunlight to come in. That would be good. You know why? Because the sun is coming from the horizon. So in the morning, the sun energy is rising. So we prefer to like exchange the sun energy in the morning. It's the same time. Let's say if you feel your bad luck, you can go to the park, take a walk in the morning. That may benefit to you. And some people will tell me that, hey, I like to go to the gym at night or after work. You know what? In the Feng Shui point of view, we don't recommend that because you can see that when you do the gym at night, there's no sunlight, only the moon, and then the negative, the yin energy. So it's not really good for the overall luck. So if you want to go to do some exercise in the morning, it's much better. It's the same as your home. In the south window, open it in a bright sunny morning, you can let the good energy to come. That will help. And also in the south path, you need to keep it clean and clear. Don't mess it up. Don't put a trash bin over there. Don't put lots of shoes, stinky smell over there. Then that will definitely help. Okay, another location is we call the Ling Shen Fong, which is in the north. So this north location is good to have some like a water element. It will bring more like a money fortune. In Feng Shui, money is related to water. So water is so important. We'll use the water to represent the money luck. So bring some like a water element in the north, that would be good. Let's say you can have a swimming pool in the north, that would be good to you. If your fish tank is in the north, that will also good to you. If your like a water fountain is in the north, that will also bring you good energy, but you need to pay attention. You need to make sure that the water flow is flowing to your master bedroom or your home office. If the water flow to the front door, the trash bin, or the bathroom, it means the money luck will escape. So that's why we don't want it. And also, if for the water fountain, we need to make sure that the water is running inside the machine. We don't want the water to spill out because that will lose money. And also, we want to make sure that the water flow is slowly. We don't want to keep the noise as minimum as possible, and that will definitely benefit to your overall luck. Another location is the southeast location, which is the Jiu Shen Fong. It's also good to have some money luck, but it's not as good as the north. The north is the best, but south is also okay. So you can also have a swimming pool, fish tank, water fountain in the southeast. That will benefit to you. And another location, which is the northwest location. This is the number 8 in charge. And since right now it's the number 9, so this number 8 is gone. So that is like a bad energy area. So we want to make sure that on the northeast location, we don't want to like do some decoration, do some like remodeling on the northeast location, because that will trigger those like damaging energy. So we want to keep it clean and clear. Don't mess it up. don't do some renovation over there. Another good location which is the northwest location. This is the number 1 in charge, which is the next session, which is from 2044 and up to 2064. But since this is the next one, so it's also good to have some good energy. You can stay there. You can put your home office over there. You can have something round shape over there, flowers, pink flowers, or some like a lighting over there. That will definitely help your overall luck. Okay. In this number 9 in charge period is belong to the fire element. So anything related to fire, the color that would be good. Let's say pink, orange, bright yellow, red color, that would be good in this moment. And wood can generate this fire element. So green color is also good in this moment. And also, since the plants, the wood energy can generate like a fire, so put more like a indoor plants that will be good for your residential and your commercial. Let's say bamboo, water bamboo, money tree, bring it to your home. That will benefit to overall luck. And in this number 9 in charge period, we need to extremely careful about the sharp object. Let's say the knife, the scissor. Let's say the knife in the kitchen, you need to hide it. Don't hurt any people. Don't bring the damaging energy to your family. And also, for this number 9 in charge period, we need to make sure that enough sunlight to come to our home to bring the good energy and good ventilation to our home. That will be good for the overall luck. And something we need to pay attention, if the fire element is too strong, or let's say if your baji fire is not really good to you, then you need to make a balance. You need to put more like a water energy to cool down all those temperature. That would be good for you. And also, we need to make sure that the south is the best location, but we don't want to put any water element in the south because that will trigger the money losing issue. So make sure that the south, we don't want to put the swimming pool, the water fountain, the fish tank in the south. That will help. And also the trash bin, we need to put away from the south. That will be good. And also the northeast, make sure that we don't want to mess it up because this is like a negative energy one. And also the yearly fee killings, we need to pay attention, don't trigger it, then it will benefit to your overall luck. For more detail, you can watch my other video to talk about the current Feng Shui setting to know that, hey, which area is the a yearly fee killing. Avoid that. Don't sit over there. Don't use it as our home office. Don't trigger this damaging energy. That will benefit for all your luck. And I wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.